Oh, Kind! Ich möchte filmen ohne Gesichter, das ist irgendwie schwierig. Ja, wirklich. Donne-lui beau. Comme si avant de voir le jeu, et tu vas faire ça combien d'années? Le secret c'est de mettre l'enfant, parce qu'avec l'enfant elle pouvait pas fuir, elle pouvait pas remonter et venir et remonter travailler comme elle a fait là. Qu'est-ce que je...
Les filles ne se laissent. L'enfant c'est quoi? Elle ne peut pas laisser l'enfant à s'embremer au pays.
En même temps.
L'enfant, on le sent aller.
Non, mais là, tu es lié aussi maintenant à la vie, quoi. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally. Like, I'm really singing because on the street today, I had 3 possible accidents. 2 of them wasn't my fault. Number 3, it. First one, I was going to do my nails, and there was a bicycle on a very, like, on that place there are like 3 crosses on the side, like people have lost their life there, and that is where somebody in a white, I'm not going to say the mark, but I know the mark. Our Cameroonian people, they like that mark, you know, it starts with N. And then the car is a Q car, you get it? So he wants to double a bicycle, and he's like in front of me. Now you have to, and then I'm just ringing and not ringing, like beep 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 beep. And now he has to go to the really, like, he was like highest 50 centimeters. at the point he was crossing that bicycle and I was at his side, I had to do a full brake. Thank God my son was sleeping. Like his shirt was like this at the end. Like, do a full brake, and really squeeze myself almost to scratch my car on these side peaks. Next one, same on the same line, on like something like 5 or 8 kilometers later. Now it is a motorbiker doubling a lot of cars because he doesn't want to wait. There was a farming car, and they drive sometimes 20, sometimes 40. And again, I had to go to the right side. The third one, that was me. I was tired coming back home, and that was the car had 40, and I really drove for long, and I was like, should I not? And I was waiting. I said, okay, nobody's coming, and I look, nobody's coming. At the time, I'm at his level, and I see a car coming. Immediately, I do flashlight. So I'm coming. Please let me in. And he braked. He breaks, or he slowed down. I can't even think. Like, at this point, I'm really singing. The Lord has done it. Like, going out and coming back home safe is not granted. Don't take it for granted, really. So this is me home. I'll have to leave my fingers. They are so sensible. So that's the right hand. This one is better. She just did something like small wayo. Look, somebody is drinking my drink they did for me here, you see. And I just came out, and I was like, let me have some fruits. Maybe I can show you my nails on my feet. This one they did it completely, which I don't know if you can really see that. I'm tired, no bath. So I thank goodness for a safe journey, that I made it home with my family. I made it home safely with my son, and yeah. But next week is going to be lit, and we still put our drives, our journeys, our everything in the manufacturer's hands, because nobody is safe. Like, you have so much, this summer, people are just, anyways. I'm the last one standing. Delicious. I love this. If you don't find cantaloupe in the stores, it means that I've bought them all. You see that? You come and stand here so that I will not eat anything in this house. This boy has been eating more than... Anyways. Eat, Papa. God don't butter your blessing. It's your blessing. At least you can still afford that. Just joking as always.